In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily share a video from YouTube to Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up YouTube app. After that we need to find a video we would like to share and then play it. And that's where we can easily find that share button. Tap at share, and after that there are two different ways how we can share it. The first way is just to copy the link to that particular video to the clipboard. After that we'll be able to share that link anywhere we want. We can just copy that link, then we can go to Facebook or to any other app such as Notes, and then in that simple way we can paste our URL anywhere we want. However, there is another way how we can do so, is by tapping at that Facebook icon. Once we tap on it, we'll be taken to Facebook app where we can create a post to share that video. You might have noticed that URL have already been pasted here in the message field, and then we can in that way comment on our post. We can add there some text like check that video. So after that you will be able to continue editing that post. You can tag someone, you can add a location and do all the stuff you usually do while you creating your Facebook posts. Also, you can change privacy settings and turn on or off sharing that post to Instagram. Basically guys, once you're done with that, just tap at that button to share that post to your Facebook timeline. And that's how that post will look like. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.